Well, it has been a little too long since I had this on the channel, so let's make a video. We're gonna upgrade the ESC to this Hobbywing Quick Run 1060 brushed. We're gonna get rid of this Latrax ESC. Now this ESC, I just threw it on just because it was a brushed ESC laying around. I wanted to see how it would work, and it actually worked pretty good for running it on 2S, but I want to run on 3S now, so I got this Tattoo 3S 850 milliamp hour. So we're gonna try this out and see if we notice a decent increase in power. So let's get this ESC out of here. Now this ESC comes with a Tamiya plug. Nothing that I own has the Tamiya plug. So this Tattoo is an XT30. So I got a set of XT30 plugs. So we're gonna have to do some snipping and soldering. Okay, so now I'm ready to make my connection. I tinned the connector, I tinned the wires on the ESC. Let's slip the heat shrink over before I forget. Got to make sure you're connecting the right wires. You don't want to make that mistake. So positive is on the flat side, right like that. So I want the red wire there and then the black wire there. Let's get a little bit of solder on there so we have some heat transfer. Yes, I know, it's ugly. I'm not a good solderer. Pull that down, cover it up. All right, I think we're ready. Before we plug this Lipo in, we need to make sure we are in Lipo. So we are. This little jumper here controls your braking, and then Lipo, you want it all the way to the left. If you're running a nickel metal hydride, you want it all the way to the right. So it's already in Lipo. Plug that in. Let's plug these in here. Let's put the black in the blue. And we'll put the red in the yellow. We might have to reverse it, I don't know. Put this ESC in the receiver here. So channel 1 to turn, 2 to burn. Okay, let's go forward. Let's see if it goes forward if I hit forward. Nope, it goes in reverse. So I have to flip these wires around. Now, when I hit forward, yep, there it goes. Okay. Awesome, that's the first mod. But I think the next thing we need to do is we have to take care of this body. We're gonna have to cut it down so the wheels don't scrape along the fender here and the corner of the hood. We're getting rid of that. We're cutting across here, and I might even shorten the nose just a little bit. The last thing I need to do now is I need to get some Velcro on the ESC and then also on the battery so I can attach everything to the inside of the body. Oh yeah, we have plenty of power now. With that 3-cell Lipo, climbs the wall like nothing. The only thing is the 850 milliamp hour. I don't know how long that's gonna last, but it definitely helps put the power down now. It's snappy. That's enough running here on the workbench. You can't get a good idea of how much better it is just by running around on the bench here. So let's take it out and do a little bit of crawling with it.